Here we've got a Suzuki DRZ 400. This is the SM model. Nice looking bike. They're a lot of fun and you get a lot in terms of spec. This one is a 56 plate, 2006 model year. Relatively very low miles when you look at the market. This one's only done 9,200 miles. All the MOT history backs that up, and looks to be unquestionable. It's just been serviced. Quite a few of the bits tended to. Whenever we service bikes, prep them, etc., we do some before we advertise them and some after they're advertised and prior to sale. But it's had all the oil change, spark plug, air filter's been cleaned because it's got K&N air filter. Coolant's been checked, etc. So there's a few other bits. It's got new tyres on it. These are brand new. They're Michelin Pilot Streets, so decent tyres. It is a category N, which is an insurance uneconomical to repair. Now anyone who knows motorcycles and knows insurance companies, it takes very little to write off a bike these days. And from what we're told, it's because the forks were marked down here. It had a low side on, and there was a small mark on the tank there. Hard to see stepping back, but yeah, with just those two bits alone, you'd be able to write the bike off. In terms of economically, obviously, mechanically, she's sound, runs really nice, can't really fault it. Cosmetically, you've got a few marks here and there. I mean, being the ABS plastic they are, as soon as they mark, there's no polishing it out. It's either replace the panel or sort of live with it. And being the bikes that they are, most people tend to live with it. So this is quite a nice spec'd up one. You got the Magura bars. You got the hand guards on there. You've got adjustable levers. As I say, it's got the Michelin Pilot brand new tyres. You got an FMF Powerbomb exhaust. I forget the manufacturer of the CRD Sump guard. CRD. You got the matching alley CRD heel protectors. You got Goodridge lines. Yeah, it's a nice spec bike. Has Samco hoses. Alley rad guards. And then a few other sort of like the anodized footrests and gear levers and that sort of thing. So yeah, it's a nice looking bike. As I said, we fully service them before they go out. In fact, we did do valve clearances on this, so this has just been done. So overall, very nice. It's got an Athena cylinder kit, as you can see there, which is not an uncommon performance increase over the standard. Not massive, but they do make good quality products. So ignition on, 9,200 miles. It's always a little bit tricky with one hand. There you go. So yeah, it sounds lovely, goes well. Nothing to report really. So as with all the bikes, we can deliver this nationwide. We do have some options on finance, but being a category N, there are less finance options. 3-month warranty applies, 12 months MOT, fully serviced up to date. View and welcomed. If you want to see the website, it's motorworksnorfolk.co.uk, or give us a call, come in, have a look. Please do, and hopefully we'll hear from you soon.